Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I'm Samina Akter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Russian School. Today I'm going to take an English class for the students of Junior 1 and the topic is Lexis Smart Grammar Book Lesson 15 and 17. Okay, this topic is from your annual term and this is lecture number 21. Okay, so students, today we are going to read the chapter 15 and 17 from your Lexis Smart Grammar book. So see here I have written lesson 15 here. Where are they? This is the name of the lesson. So see, there are some words that connect one thing with another. They tell us about the position or place of someone or something. Okay, so the words that we are talking about are the words that connect one word with another word in the sentence. So we can know the position or place of someone or something from these words. Okay, so what are these words? Like on, in, under, beside, inside, or at. Okay, so these words are also called preposition. So look at these sentences, dear students. Where is the cat? So see this picture. You can see the cat is here on the tree. So here see the sentence, the cat is on the tree. Okay, where is the cat? The cat is on the tree. So on is here to on is here used to show the position of the cat. Where is the cat? On the tree. Okay, so see the next picture here. Here is a tree and a boy is under this tree here sitting. So where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. Okay, under. So this word under is a preposition and it is used to show the position of the boy or the place of the boy. So see the next sentences. Where is the boy? Again, the boy is beside the dog. Okay, so see the dog is here and boy is beside him. So where is the boy? The boy is beside him, beside the dog. So here beside is used to show the position of the boy. Okay, so next sentences. Where are the gold coins? Okay, so here in this pot there are gold coins inside. So to show the positions where are of the gold coins, we have to say the gold coins are inside the pot. Okay, inside. Okay, so from inside we can know that there are gold coins inside this pot. So these words are called preposition and they are used to tell us about the position or place of the thing or person. Okay, so go to the next page. There is a worksheet. I have already done this. So you can see one number. The noodles are inside the pot. Okay, so see the picture. There are noodles inside the pot. Okay, number 2, the eggs are on the plate. Okay, on the plate. The eggs are on the plate. See the picture, the eggs are on the plate. 3 number, the dog is beside the cat. Okay, see here the dog is beside the cat. Then number 4, the gifts are under the Christmas tree. Where are the gifts? Under the Christmas tree. So see the picture here. So these are the prepositions and I hope you have understood these words, how they are used. So let's go to our next lesson. Our next lesson number is 17, writing skill, playing at the park. So here we will read a short story and we will do a worksheet from it. Okay, so see, Sarah went to the park with her mom. She liked playing chase with the other children. Her favorite thing to do at the park was to go down the slide. She also liked it when her mom helped her on the swings. She loved the park full of children. She thought the best time of the day was when she was in the park having fun with her friends and her mother. Okay, so this story is about Sarah, who loves her time in the park and who loves to play with her friends and different kinds of games in the swings or in the slide. Okay, so let's do the worksheet now. We have to circle the correct answer to each question. Number 1, Sarah went to the park or store. Which one will be correct? Park. Okay, so Sarah went to the park. Number 2, she went with her dad or mom. So the correct answer is mom. She went with her mom. Number 3, she played chess or cards with the other children. So the answer is chase. That means you catch the other. Okay, you run and try to catch the other person. That is the game of chase. So number 4, her favorite thing was the slide. Okay, the slide. It is also a ride where you play. Number 5, her mom helped her on the swing. Okay, swing, you ride on the swing. Here is a picture of swing. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and I hope you will practice at home well. So this is it for today. Goodbye.